They come in with various skills: programming, design. They might have done individual projects. Like the amount of experience these kids have is something that's so broad, and it's almost not limited by what you see in everyday life. The projects this year have been really interesting. This year we had the students brainstorm like we usually do, but the staff was really hands off. They didn't really propose a lot of their ideas that they were personally wanted to do, but at the same time, the projects that the staff pitched, the students didn't like it, and which is awesome, because that way you have a sense of creativity for the students to take ownership of, and so by the end of the project, they can say, you know, this is our idea. It's not the mentor's idea, and I was just a little helper for it. Honestly, we're just the fly on the wall. We're watching them just go for it, and it's really, really cool. We have a tank group which proposed their idea, I think, on the second or third day of the engineering design workshop in the brainstorming session, and everyone just thought, oh my god, this is not going to work. It's dangerous, and it's just something that the kids want to do because it's a group of all males. But what's really interesting is that over the next few days, they would just keep pushing and pushing for this idea that at one point we just thought, you know, if they have this much motivation for creating this project, then maybe it's something that they would really take an interest in. So we let it run, and now they're just amazing. They figured out how to involve sensors into it, make it a bit more autonomous. They figured out a whole new track system so that they can actually launch rubber bands, which is dangerous, but also kind of fun at the same time. But the fact is, the kids are learning at a rate that it's incredible. It's only been in what, 3 weeks, 2 weeks of building, but at the same time they've accomplished so much. So that's what's really cool about this semester, or this summer in particular. But the difference between a classroom teacher and a sort of an ADW instructor is that we're not designating you to finish a worksheet. We're not designating you to finish these tasks and then go home. We're really saying, by the time this program ends, like what is the final product that you want? And we're here to help as much as we can, but it's really based on your effort. So we're not forcing the kids to have a working model at the end. Most of the time the projects don't work, and that's awesome because it's the iterative design. So for the kids to say that we are the first step in a longer generation of projects that ultimately gets either put into the MIT Museum or is on display in the Museum of Science or anything, any sort of exhibit, that's amazing. Being a mentor is sort of guiding them to understand that by the time you're done with this, you know, the project may not work, that's fine. The project may be a completely working and amazing prototype, that's fine too. And, you know, hopefully that's what you want. But at the same time, when you leave here, are you gonna want to build more things like this?